students, I'm Nikhil here from Mission Germany, and we got Dr. Siddhi with us. She's from Mumbai, and we got her parents also with us. And today is the first day I am meeting them in Mumbai. Just to give you a small hint about Doctor, she had completed her BDS recently in the year 2023, and we are initiating a process to go to Germany. The difference with her was that while she started doing the languages while she was doing her bachelor studies, so she was an internship. So she has completed most of her languages. We started the paperwork also for her. And I think in the coming 5-6 months of time, she should be in Germany. So today I had the privilege of meeting her and the parents for the first time. So just want to have a feel like how she felt about the things. So doctor, for you, one specific thing. As a dentist, why have you thought about Germany as an option?
So, because as well as I was very much not aware about the situation, but after meeting you, I got to know about the various opportunities available there, which I feel in any other country is difficult. So, that is one thing, and I had the dream to do my master's, which I feel is, can be accomplished by going there. So, thank you so much for showing us the correct direction, because we are absolutely not aware about the procedures, whether it's come to the documentations, visa, or anything. But yeah, since day one, you have been there with us.
So nice of you, Doctor. Fine. But from your side, really, where we are falling short? I mean, you think that we are wrong somewhere, or any improvement is required, anything like that? I mean, communication from me and my team was on time. नहीं sir, चार बार phone करते रहो, phone ही नहीं उठता. Hardly any guidance was there, transparency was there or not?
No,
Anything
no,
like that?
nothing related to that. I feel ki even when I was in my college or doing my internship, everything was like absolutely smooth. And in time, whenever I used to call you, you were always there, be it post my college, be it after my clinics, and you guided us how to do clinics and language and documentations. All the three stuffs were done in absolutely like in a smooth way.
Thanks a lot, Doctor, for your kind words. Bottom line, say the journey is still pending.
Yes.
We have just started the thing. The things are only 40% done. There are 60% work still pending for her. We'll be following her trip to Germany. But what I want to highlight here to all the students is that one way is that you wake up once your bachelors are over, and then you plan to start the thing. For her, the difference was that she planned the thing before even completing her bachelor. She was an internship phase, so that will help us out in saving some time for the process. And Papa ji and Mummy ji, any word from your side? Mummy ji, आप बोलिए.
हाँ, आपने बहुत ही हेल्प किया. हमें इस बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं था, लेकिन जिस तरह से आपने एक्सप्लेन किया, हमने भी आपको बिलीव किया है, और आप उसी राह में चल रहे हैं. थैंक्स सो मच, क्योंकि हमें कुछ भी नहीं
आपका
पता
विश्वास टूटने नहीं
था.
दूंगा, वो मेरी गारंटी है.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर कमिंग. मम्मी जी, आपका आशीर्वाद. और सर जी, आज वो गले मिल लो सर. फिर अगले बार है ना, प्रॉमिस है ना अपना? क्या प्रॉमिस है? आप कहाँ बुलाओगे मेरे को?
शादी में.
अरे बस, है ना. It was lovely connecting with all of you, and I wish you all the best.